Wait, if you're keeping your rabbit in a small cage, you might be making a big mistake. I learned it the hard way, and I wish someone had told me this sooner. A bad setup can lead to issues like stress, boredom, and even serious health problems. But don't worry, I'm going to show you the best way to create the perfect rabbit home for your bunny so it can live a long, happy, and healthy life. So, first of all, let me share my personal story. Meet my bunny, Jasper. When I first got them, I made the classic mistake. I bought one of those tiny pet store cages and I thought it's made for rabbits, so it must be okay, right? Wrong. I noticed my bunny seemed to be frustrated, bored, and was constantly trying to escape. And that's when I realized rabbits are not meant to live in small cages. And trust me, once I upgraded their space, everything started to change. If you're feeling guilty because you're using a cage that's too small, don't worry. I was there too, but today I'm going to help you fix it. So let's talk about a step-by-step guide to the perfect rabbit cage setup. Step one is why pet store cages are too small. Now, most pet store cages are less than 3 feet long. That's way too small. Rabbits need at least 10 square foot of living space plus free roam area for exercise. In the wild, rabbits cover up to 3 miles a day. Imagine being trapped in a tiny cage. Now, what's the solution? Solution is a bigger, better rabbit enclosure that lets them hop, stretch, and explore. Step two is finding the best rabbit enclosure and cage alternatives. So here are the best options for your bunny. We've got option number one, which is X pens. These are exercise pens. They're adjustable, they're open space, and they're budget friendly. And they're great for free roam bunnies. The other option is CNC cages, now Cube and Coro Plast. These are customizable and spacious, and they're also really easy to clean and expand as well. The third option is a DIY wooden enclosure or a simple playpen. Stylish, they fit into the home decor, they're safe and comfortable for indoor bunnies as well. Now, step three is knowing the must-have essentials for a rabbit cage. A proper rabbit setup isn't just about space, it needs to be functional too. So think about these things, starting with number one, soft flooring. So no wire bottoms, using fleece mat is amazing. Use rugs if you can, really old clean rugs, or even soft bedding. Also, you would need a litter box, which is a spacious litter box with a paper-based pellets as well as hay. You need a hiding spot, which can be a cardboard box, a tunnel, or a wooden hideout for security. And also the essentials, food and water, heavy ceramic bowls or water bowls, not just the bottle, and also chew toys as well to prevent boredom and keep their teeth strong and healthy. Step 4 is knowing the most important thing you need for a happier rabbit, which is a secret hack for a happier rabbit. So if you want your bunny to be even happier, try this. Give them free roam time. Let them explore outside their enclosure for at least 3 to 4 hours a day. Bunny-proof your home with the cord protectors and safe chew toys, and set up a rabbit-safe play area with tunnels and hideouts as well. Once I let my bunny free roam, their personality completely changed and they actually became so much more playful and affectionate. So what are the most common cage mistakes you need to know about and how to fix them? So if you're still having issues, here are the biggest cage mistakes people make. Mistake number one is too small of a cage. The issue is that they buy a cage, it's too small for the rabbit, and the solution here is to upgrade to either an X-pen or a large enclosure. Another mistake is using wire floor. So the solution here is to cover with a soft mat or fleece. Mistake number 3 is a lack of hiding spots, and the solution is really simple and easy, and it is to add a tunnel or hideout for security. And lastly, what to do if you have no true toys? Alternatively, just give them a safe wooden toys to prevent boredom. So if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, comment below, what does your bunny setup look like? Don't forget to subscribe for more rabbit care tips and tricks. Next week, I'm going to be sharing with you the biggest myths about rabbit care that you need to know to stop believing these myths, and also the alternative truths to them as well. And if you know someone with a rabbit, share this video. It could change their bunny's life. Happy bunny parenting, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and have a great day.